Hi guys, this is Erika here at Create Your Future. I'm one of the coaches here on staff, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about using your negative emotions to manifest. I feel like there's a lot of people, I talk to a lot of clients, and sometimes they get angry or frustrated or sad because of what they're experiencing in the 3D. And what they do when they're feeling that sadness or frustration or anger is they start questioning things in a negative way. For example, someone that they feel like their SP is ignoring them, they start thinking, why is she ignoring me? Why is he ignoring me? Why are they not returning my messages? And they're disrespecting me, and maybe they're with someone else. And so what do you think they're doing there? They are reacting to the 3D. They're sending, remember, they're thinking what we say they're thinking, right? So if I'm thinking they're ignoring me, what thought am I transmitting to the other person? Remember, your wishes, your wish is my command. Meaning, like if I'm saying they're ignoring me, the other person is going to ignore me. They will continue to ignore me. We tell them what to do. Instead of thinking, why are they ignoring me, which is question mode, and we're sending them the command of keep ignoring me, we change it and we tell them what to do. No, I'm not someone that gets ignored, right? I am someone that is heavily pursued, respected, valued. They are always contacting me. They're always replying to my messages, right? Take that power back. So use that. A lot of people think that you have to be happy all the time to manifest what you want. That's a limiting belief. Let's use those emotions. You can manifest being happy, you can manifest being angry, you can manifest being sad. It doesn't matter how you're feeling, right? It is the thoughts that you're having that manifest. So my belief, right, in Erika's world, I believe that if I'm angry, if I'm sad, if I'm frustrated, it's even more powerful because it's a thought with an emotion, right? So it doesn't mean that I want to be angry, right, all the time. It just means that I use that to my benefit. So use that energy of, like, let's say your SP did something that you didn't like. Use that energy to affirm, right? It's like you're throwing a tantrum, right? But instead of thinking negative, you use that energy to say, no, this is who I am. I deserve respect. I deserve commitment. I deserve to have everyone at my feet begging me for my attention, right? Put your crown on, that invisible crown on, right? Feel empowered. Take that power back and say, be general. You can be general. You can say something like, I am someone that is valued, that is loved, that is wanted, desired, addictive, right? And then I have everyone at my feet, including this person. I have everyone at my feet wanting my attention, wanting my commitment, wanting my time. They all value me. They all respect me. They all want to be with me. My SP, he's crazy about me. Ignoring me? No. I'm the one that can ignore him, right? But no one ignores me because I'm wonderful. I'm valued, right? Switch the roles instead of feeling like you have to reach out to them, right? You're the one that's being ignored. Switch it and say, no, I am someone that is valued. They are the ones chasing me. They are the ones wanting my attention. They are the ones that are respecting me. They are the ones that are giving me the commitment that I deserve. Take it back to that self-concept, knowing your worth, your value, and say, I'm good enough to have this person commit to me, chase me, right? Love me, respect me, because I'm worth it. I'm good enough. Okay. So I want you to take that power back and don't think that because you're angry or sad that you're not going to be able to manifest. No, like it's okay to feel sad. It's okay to feel angry, but use that emotion to your benefit, right? And tell them what to do at that moment where you're feeling sad or angry or frustrated. Remember, they're thinking what you say they're thinking. So use that emotion to get what you want. It's powerful. It's powerful energy. And you can make your own rules, right? When I'm angry, I manifest faster. When I'm happy, I manifest faster. When I'm sad and crying, I manifest faster. Make your own rules. Have fun with it. And remember, tell them what to do. We're only thinking about what we want. We're only thinking of them as someone that loves us, respects us, they commit to us, right? Because we are good enough, because we are amazing. I've been imagining myself on this throne, right? Like a queen that I am. And I'm putting myself on the pedestal and I imagine everyone at my feet saying, you know, I want to love you. I want to give you what you want, right? It's powerful. And that 3D world is shifting. It's changing to my benefit, right? But I want you guys to put yourself on a pedestal, claim what's yours, tell them what to do, and your life is going to change. So take that power back. And remember, you are the operant power of your reality. You're the one who's in control. No one's doing anything to you. They will always obey to you. But don't tell them, you don't talk to me, you don't call me, you don't take me out. No, tell you commit to me, you love me, you respect me, you value me, you give me everything I want. Okay? Tell them what to do. Okay, beautiful people, take care. If you need help with your specific situation, I'm here for you. All the links are below. And thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing. Thank you. Bye-bye.